And you may think about where it is I live. And that's natural. We all try to connect somewhere in between, you know. So I figured I'd tell you about it. I live near an airport, by train tracks, and between two cemeteries. It seems common to me. The airports, the cemeteries, and the railroads. And somehow I've always ended up living in places like this, where you can get on a plane or jump on a train or just dispose of your memories by going to a cemetery and sitting down and thinking. There's a way out or there's a way in. You sit down at a stranger's grave in a cemetery, and there's no greater piece of solace than that. I once ate ham on the steps of a mausoleum somewhere in Indiana. Oh, it was Brazel, Indiana. I stopped on my motorcycle at some cheap motel. It's probably making a lot of money now since I stayed there, and people, you know, word gets out. But when I woke up in the morning after this long ride, right across the road was a national cemetery, and my brother had given me some ham before I hit the road back to California out of the snow on a motorcycle. So I ate ham, and I just reflected. A lot of people are afraid of cemeteries, but really, it's something I consider to be a park for adults. You know, nobody's running around screaming. Sure, there's green, but they're, oh, look, all the cowbirds are here. Just, if you can live next to a cemetery, you're very lucky. Just walk over there and sit down. Give yourself a chance to contemplate things.